Hey, so it's that time of the semester where our college has just decided to dump a ton of assignments and tests and internship on us. And for the last 2 weeks, I really haven't been able to do anything productive at all. I've honestly struggled to do the simplest of things as well. So I thought that I'll just document me trying to finally get my life back together for real this time. For real this time. So there are a few things that I want to do today, starting with just cleaning my room. Now my room isn't like super messy, but it's still not like very clean. You can probably see like a glass from like I think 2 weeks ago, and I have like food wrappers and clothes lying around. So I just want to like clean that up. And yeah, if you guys want to do any of the things along with me, you can just let the video play and like clean or like plan your life. You can just do it along with me. So yeah, let's just start cleaning. Okay, so I thought I'll just like record my room before I actually start cleaning. As you can see, it's not like very messy. I've had my room be worse than this before, but it's still like a little messy, and that's kind of like cluttering my mind as well. So I thought I'll just clean this and see if I feel better. Okay, so as you can probably see from the clip, I finished cleaning my room and I just sweep the floor as well. And I honestly feel like way better right away. So I'm going to sit and plan what it is like April 11th today. So the rest of April and May, what those months will look like for me. Because not having the clarity of what each day is going to look like has really been demotivating, and I'm just not able to get any work or anything done. So I just went over all of my deadlines and I put like the main deadlines on the calendar that you guys just saw. And I also wrote down like on a day-to-day basis from today till the end of April what I want to like achieve or study each day. But today I just like sat and I wrote it down in my planner, and hopefully like even if I get half of it done, I think I'll be like much more productive than I was for the last few days. The next thing that I want to do is I want to go for a walk. I just want to clear my head and my thoughts. I have gotten a lot more clarity after planning, but I still want some like alone time and time to just reflect. So yeah, I'll take you guys on the walk with me. So I just came back after walking, and usually I don't really like walking. My parents usually like force me to go and like walk or get some exercise. But on days where I feel mentally clogged or I feel kind of down, I always realize that walking is kind of therapeutic. I don't really know why. I just go without any music or anything. I don't look at my phone. I just like walk and think, or just walk and look around and see what other people are doing. So that was pretty nice. The last thing that I want to do today is to just journal and just write down whatever I'm feeling and how I felt about today and my intentions for the next week or the next 2 weeks. So yeah, I'll just show you that. So yeah, that was all that I had planned to do in this video. I just quickly want to say that I did mention several times in the video that my mental health was declining, and I don't want in any way to project that if you do the things that I did in this video, which is like to plan your life or walk, that it'll solve your mental health problems. That's absolutely not what I meant. Things like planning and walking and journaling, meditating, all of that will help in general, but none of it is going to fix your anxiety or fix your depression or fix any other mental health issue that you might be battling. If you are battling a mental health issue, please speak up, seek help, talk to your friends. If you can, go get therapy. But yeah, this was just a video for me to kind of like put some structure in my life, and I really think that that did happen. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. I now realize that some of the clips in the beginning are a little bit out of focus. I'm still trying to figure out how to work the focus on my camera, so sorry about that. But yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.